We are going to design a jelly and a berry scene in Blender. So first of all, I am going to delete this default cube, and we are going to add a cylinder, a simple cylinder, and here we are going to change the vertices to 10. 10s are enough, and then tab to go to the edit mode, press 1. So you are in the front mode, and here we can move this one. So the bottom align with the x-axis on the this 3D cursor. Okay. Now go to the X-ray and select these top vertices and S to scale it and make it like that. Again, you can scale it and like that, so it has this slope like that. Okay. Now you have to select all of these faces, and so go to face selection mode. You can go here by pressing 3 and select all of these faces by pressing the Alt. Okay. And all of these are selected. Now we want to extrude them and individually. So you can press Alt E, and here you can see extrude individual faces, or you can also go here to extrude and extrude individual faces. And here you can see it's extruding like that. So that much is enough. You can see here the value 0.408 for the extrude individual faces and move option. And at this point, let's check it with the subdivision surface, and for the level viewport we can make it 3 or 4, and also this one 5. And here you can see, now press 1, so you are in the front view, 1, and press 1, so the vertex selection mode is selected, and select all of these top vertices and make sure the toggle X-ray is activated. So you select all of these bottom vertices. Basically I want to move it above, give it some height like that. Okay, and here we are going to add one loop here like that, and another loop in the bottom like that, and one loop in the middle like that. Okay, so you can see this is the shape of the jelly, and here for the number of these objects, this feature, you can increase it or decrease it when you are adding the cylinder. So you can change the vertex. Okay. So now I'm going to press 1 and press 2. So you are in the edge selection mode, and select all of these top edges like that, and make sure the proportional editing is activated, and S, and make it a little bit smaller and make it like that. Okay, and now select all of these this middle edge loop, and you can scale it and make it a little bit bigger like that. So it is the shape of the jelly. Okay, now I'm going to select this bottom face, and I to insert this face like that till this point, and then just move it above in Z direction like that, and also select this top face and I to insert it like that, and make it like that. So this is the shape of the jelly. Now I'm going to draw a berry. So make sure you are in the object mode, Shift A, and we are going to add a UV sphere, and then just move it here at this point and make it smaller like that. Okay, and then press tab, so you are in the edit mode, and select this vertex, this one. You can also select these vertices and then just move it like that, then select this one and move it like that. And here I am going to select this loop of and this loop, and then S and Y, scale it in the Y direction like that, and shade smooth shape of the berry, and these two vertices we can move it a little bit like that, and these ones we don't have to move it Okay, we can undo it. So we don't need to select this one. Yeah, and we can also move it like that, and these two move it like that. Check it with the subdivision surface like that. And here I am going to select this top and shift S to add the cursor here, and shift A, and we are going to add a cylinder. Cylinder is very big, so make it smaller, more smaller, like that. And select all of these vertices, press 1 and move it like that. Uncheck this proportional editing, E, select this loop, or to repeat it like that, and again E, or to rotate it and make it pointy, not pointy, E and S, like that, and then no, little bit pointy. Select this loop like that. And this one we have to make it smaller. Place it here. Okay, now select these two and press 1 and G and move it here on the top like that. It's just touching this jelly. Shift D to duplicate it, or Z like that. And if you want, you can have another and place it here. Okay, these jellies are done. Now just shift S and cursor to region, and here we are going to add shift A, and I am going to add a cylinder here, S and Z like that, and scale it and place it in the bottom of this jelly. And shift A, we are going to add a plane and move it. Control A, apply the location and select these two edges, E and Z. I'm going to select this edge and this edge and control B. We are just going to add the background like that, and go to the render. Shift A, we are going to add area light. This area light 100 like that, and this one I'm going to delete it. Shift D to duplicate it, press 1 more. Add the material. For this background, we are going to add the blue. for these jellies. For the jelly cycles, GPU compute, and check the denoising. And for this jelly, for the material, I am going to make the transmission to 1 like that, and the roughness decrease this roughness. For the jellies, these berries, and for the stem, I'm going to add the green. For the setting or for the good management, you can name these stuff, but to make the tutorial short, I did not, but it is a good practice. So here we have this good scene, and this is just looking a glossy material. We can just change the setting of this material and make it look like jelly. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and just follow it and do this jelly.